It's Scout's birthday. She's 4 today. Ready? Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Scouty. Happy birthday to you. And blow it out.
Speak.
You gotta get closer. No, speak. Scout, speak.
Okay.
Over the candle.
Okay, Scout.
Speak. Speak. Yay! Happy birthday, Scout Monster.
Good girl.
She was like, I was trying. You said speak. Not blow out. Blow out means speak in your thing. That's a fresh bakery dog biscuit. Good stuff. Oh my goodness. That's so good. Happy birthday. She's like, that's a good biscuit. Is it soft still?
Mm-hmm. It's warm.
Yeah. Hey guys, so I just wanted to jump on here real quick to talk to you about a Christmas gift that I got from Daryl. Daryl is the guy I'm married to. And it's cool. I posted it on my social medias as a great Christmas gift to give to someone. And it was cool to see it in person because I thought it was cool. The demonstration, the marketing was perfect. But you know, sometimes you get things home and it doesn't really work for you. So out of all the things on my list, this stood out to him because it attracted him just like anything attracts us, right? So on my list, he thought this was cool and this is the item he thought that I would want. I don't know, but I can't recall whether or not I said, ooh, I would love to have this. Maybe I did, I don't recall. But he liked it. And sometimes when we give gifts, it's based on something we want to, you know I do. So after playing with it and looking around and seeing how it functions and operates, it's still a cool item. It's just not my natural bend, right? It's not something, I'll reach for my cast iron pots or I'll reach for my Dutch ovens, like, you know, I'll reach for things like this. You know, I don't necessarily reach for air fryers. And if I do, which I have an air fryer, it's a countertop air fryer. It puts me in the mind of a miniature oven. It has the air vents, it has racks, it just looks like an oven, a convection oven even. I would love that, like there's a countertop convection oven I would like to have for small meal preps, but I do want a big floor convection oven eventually. And right now, I don't even cook with gas since we've been in this house because it's a rental and they only have electric ovens. I have a gas stove top. But nonetheless, this is a cool item for those who like to use an air fryer. And all the features are here on the top. And it's perfect for those who like an air fryer. And it's an alternative, I think, better because it's glass, tempered glass. And so you're not cooking your food in those plastic containers, which they have proven to be toxic. So you have glass. However, there is this little tray that sits in, oh, it's metal. Let me see if I can get it out. I put things together, so now I have to take them out. But there's this little oven grade, like an oven rack that goes here, but it has little rubber feet inside, and you put that in first, and then you put whatever food. It comes with a great recipe book with temperatures that each thing requires, small batch, large batch. This is the large one, it's a quart. You're supposed to only use this is your, what do you call it? Adjuster. It goes on here and it only adjusts to larger ones. And this is the power source with everything in it. Let me see if I can get a little closer. This is the power source. It has all sorts of things at the bottom. It's a cool item for those who like an air fryer. I imagine my sons in their own place would probably like this sort of item as an alternative to the more updated glass cleaner, less plastic burning, and less seeping into your food kind of air fryer. But it's just not my thing. So I'm gonna return it I hadn't thought of anything else, probably nothing. If anything, maybe something towards my tech equipment to make things a little easier for me, because I am having a hard time putting up videos. I don't have enough storage, so it just won't let me be great. My laptop is like, girl, you need to get rid of some stuff before we can send this video to YouTube. That's why I haven't been able to be consistent. And to be honest, it's turned me off. Like, it's made me feel like, why bother? You know, you get frustrated, you throw your hands up. But I don't want to do that moving forward for 2025 and even finishing out this year. It's the 29th. I want to get the equipment that I need so I can store. The point of not working out is to teach me how to do it more efficiently so that I can completely do the task at hand and enjoy the process of filming. I like filming, I like talking about things, I like editing, I like posting, but I am limited. So there's a lot of gear that we don't talk about, right? We say post, make sure you post daily, all these things, and it's encouraging, but there's a few details that need to be handled, like you need storage. When you're posting, when you're recording long-term, long form, you need to be able to store it somewhere, not on your phone's device or your camera. You need to be able to store it in an external hard drive, which is what I need, in place of your laptop, because you can't download. Your poor devices aren't meant to hold that much space. So that's what I need. So this is why I haven't been able to do it. So these things are beautiful. They're perfect. I love them. You should get one if you're an air fryer person, because this will be so helpful to you. And if you're not, just be honest, but it's the best looking item. I love the size of it. I love the shape of it. You know what it reminds me of? You know, the hair, the scalp massager. This little part of it is shaped like a scalp massager. It's like, this is the big old scalp massager. And you just, it vibrates all around your head. That's what it reminds me of. It comes with a lid for storage. You can put it in a refrigerator. They both come, now here's the thing I thought was a little bizarre. They both come with the little metal. This you have to put in the bottom of the glass, like so, before you put whatever food you're gonna put in it and whatever temperature you're following. But this is not to be used on the little one. There's no adjuster. Watch a video. Because what sense would it make if you can't use this and it doesn't fit? How? I don't know. I didn't go any further because I knew I wasn't going to use it. But I did notice it says, do not use this or the adjuster. Don't use it on a little one, but it gives you this little grate to cook inside. Figure it out. Find out if you like it. It's a cool, beautiful, weighty, hefty, quality, well-made item. I like it. I just won't use it, so it's a waste, right? So I'm returning it, but I just wanted to talk about it with you guys for a little bit, show you all the pieces again. Look at that. I think it's good looking too. You know how I like things to look. I'm aesthetically pleased. But look how cool that is. You could store the whole thing. This is the little bottoms. They don't come off. That stays on. But what a great piece of storage. Put your food away. I can never have enough. And I've been switching to glass storage units. You can't get around the rubber seals. Although you can do the bamboo wood lids that have a rubber seal to push down in it. You can do that. I'm looking at those too because let me show you. I use them for my seasonings. So you can use glass storages. They have glass storages on Amazon with the seal that's like this, but you see it has the rubber to keep the air out. That sort of thing. But anyway, now I'm just rambling. Grab it. It's a great item. It just doesn't work for the type of cook that I am. Okay? All right. Have a good countdown. It's December 29th. What are y'all doing for the new year? I tend to stay in. I like going out now that my children are grown-ups, but it's been a number of years since I've done anything outside of my own house for New Year's. So I don't know. I'm looking forward to being able to do things again, but it's just counting down, praying, looking forward to my plans, making them clear, making them plain. I'm just excited for the new year and for new revelations. I've been reflecting on this past year and years prior, and I've been growing and I'm loving it. So I'm looking forward to that. Leave a comment in the bottom. Let me know what you're looking forward to, okay? Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Let me know if you agree, if you like this item, if you have other gifts around the holiday that you got that look great, marketing got you, but it's still great, but just not for you. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, I'm going back to the Apple store. Now my laptop won't let me erase or remove things from my hard drive so that I can upload videos. It's like, if this isn't a test, I don't know what is. It's like, as soon as the enemy hears you made up your mind and he thinks he's got some insight into what you got to do, what you're doing, what your plans are, he thinks, oh, no, you're not. You're not about to do nothing and upload. No, you're not. Girl. So I'm on my way back to the Apple store, and I'm gonna stop by the grocery store to grab about $50 worth of somethings. It's not groceries, it's just a meal or some snacks. I need to figure it out. So I'm gonna do that too. Now, because it is what time? It's 11:48 on the West Coast, Southern California. It's probably, the Apple store, y'all know, it's probably already packed. I'm gonna go in there, tell them what my issue is. Rare will it be that they'll take me right then and there. They're more than likely gonna make me make an appointment to come back in an hour. Text me. So I'll run by the grocery store, grab a few things, and wait on them to tell me they're ready. That's my thinking. Let's see what happens, you know? Let's see what happens. Where am I going? Which way should I go? I'll go this way because nothing's happening. Nobody's walking. It's kind of quiet, but that doesn't mean the Apple store is quiet. Y'all know how it works. Anyway, I am so hungry. The worst time to go to the grocery store is when you're hungry. And my face feels so dry, but I have moisturizer on. It's nice out. The sun is shining. We don't have so much overcast. It's cool enough to wear like a sweater. All right, I'll call you back and let you know what happens. Hey guys, it's the day before New Year's Eve, and I just want to jump on here and say, hey. So yesterday we left off where I was going to the Apple store and I was going to stop by the grocery store and grab a few things to snack on. So I did both. I went to the Apple store. I didn't stay but a moment because my appointment was 2 or 3 hours later. I didn't want to figure that out. I didn't want to sit there and wait on that. So I got online with AppleCare. They literally helped me so well, so easy that I learned some more things. And so now I figured out the solution while I wait on my gear, other pieces. It's just a little Band-Aid to hold me over. But I figured out some things so that I don't feel stuck or handicapped, and I can stop making excuses for not getting my videos up. And then I went by the grocery store. I didn't take you guys with me. I just grabbed a few snacks. But right now, what I'm about to do is break down Christmas 2024. So typically the Monday or so before the new year comes in, I like to remove last year's celebrations. And I want to take it into the new year because I want to start afresh. And I usually do that every year. So let's break down and put all our Christmas stuff away. Like our little houses and things. These things over here, let's see. All that, which you already saw, all that And it's so easy because I could just literally put things in their places. So I'm gonna try and see if I can find a sweet spot where you can just watch me. I just don't know where. Let's see. You can't really see me, can you? And then everything is so, I don't know, can you see? What can you see? Last time I had a good spot, didn't I? I'm just gonna kind of be in and out. All right. Hey guys, I just want to jump on here and end this vlog here. I have been busy today. I've had an eventful day, just some family stuff, and but I just want to jump on here real quick tonight. It's already tonight. It's nighttime, like we used to say when we were kids. I have the boxes ready. My husband packed it up. It's ready to be returned. It's all packed up tight and ready to go. So returning that, I don't know what we're gonna get into tomorrow, but I know it's New Year's Eve, and so I wanna prep for that. I wanna get some good things together to eat tomorrow for the night as we count down and get ready for the new year to come in. I have new prayers and plans for 2025 I'm looking forward to. So we'll talk about that. Some things that we're gonna do to reset. It's the end of the year. We're gonna reset and prepare for 2025. Renew, resetting for a new year. All right, so ending this vlog here. Let's catch up tomorrow, see what we get into. All right, bye, good night. I am so tired. I'm emotionally drained. I think I'm physically drained. I'm tired. Okay.